gate road Karachi going to airport this way. Karachi International Airport Star Gate. Yes, viewers, is Terminal 1 Karachi International Airport. Right now is closed for passenger because Terminal 4 is working right now. This is the old airport, Terminal 1. Jinnah International Airport, Jet Farm. Jinnah International Airport, Terminal 4 this way. And that one the PC petrol pump. Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Terminal 4. And that one the McDonald's. And this is the McDonald's and car parking for Jinnah Terminal International Airport in Karachi, Pakistan. Yes, viewers, this is Karachi Jinnah Terminal International Airport, Terminal 4. So today I visit here about this airport. We will see what is this here. And that one the departure gate and arrival gate, the main entry and exit. And this one the McDonald's and Karachi Airport, front of Terminal 4. So many passengers coming from outside another country to Pakistan. Welcome to Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Pakistan. So we will see a lot of passengers today. I think it's coming from another country. All the work. So that one the main entry. And this one for taxi rent office outside. In Karachi. Arrival gate, this area international arrival. So we will see the timetable of this aircraft. Colombo, Dubai, Jeddah, Bangkok. This is for arrival time. Karachi International, Jinnah International Karachi Airport, Pakistan. So we will see departure gate also. But right now maybe the time is for aircraft is maybe evening time. International arrival. Yes, some passengers, some family waiting for the passenger because the relative. And this elevator going to up departure gate. This is the Karachi International. And that one, the departure gate. That one. So we will see the departure gate also. And have here also some grocery and they're making the cake. And that one, the exchange office. If you have foreign currency, so you can exchange from here. You can change your money from here, exchange bank. And air blue office. And a lot of people waiting for passenger because somebody sending family outside of Pakistan. Departure gate, this one for airport. Gate. Man entry departure gate. We will see the airplane timetable. Colombo, Dubai, Sharjah, Jeddah, Muscat. And wheelchair supply. AFP control office, PI International Airlines. And that one is the domestic departure gate. Domestic departure gate. That one. So we will see the departure timetable. Domestic aircraft. Islamabad, Sattar, Peshawar, Lahore. And some grocery available here. Some cantener. And Serene office, that one. Serena office, Serena aircraft. And that one, the Pepsi canteen and Pakistan post office. Yes, viewers, right now I buy this one, it is 70 rupee Pakistani, just right now eating here. And this juice, Celeste juice, about 60 rupee Pakistani in Karachi Jinnah International Airport. Continue. And that one all stops down backside, and that canteen, sorry. And it is very tasty also. About 70 rupee. It's not more expensive, it's very cheap. And that one the aircell ticketing office. This office for information. And PI International Ticketing Office. So viewers, we will see another side also. And that one ticketing and exchange office. Standing here. This one also office, ticketing office, ticket selling, ticket and reservation. And this is the bakery. You buy some grocery from here and this one bakery also. He was in Karachi, Jinnah Terminal International Airport and departure. That one the parking area. viewers, right now I'm going to down ground floor. That one the arrival gate. But actually right now is damn aircraft. I think it's evening time is more aircraft, but this afternoon right now is not much aircraft because no more passenger coming. And I have to go outside right now from here because today actually I'm not traveling. I just visit here about only for this airport view. So that said, we will see what is this Dunkin. Yes, that one the Karachi Jinnah Terminal International Airport and ground floor arrival gate. यार डिस्टर्ब करने का shop and that one departure gate, arrival gate for domestic, and this one the Pulu card from here, departure gate. Arrival aircraft, air blue. Pakistan International Ticketing Office. Karachi International Jinnah Terminal Airport. Yes, it was 200 each piece. क्या नाम है इसका? Sandwich. Chicken sandwich ना? Chicken sandwich each piece 200 Pakistani, 200 rupees. Karachi Jinnah Terminal International Airport. Very nice and tasty. If you visit here in Jinnah Terminal, you can buy the ground floor arrival gate. There is some restaurant sandwich you buy in Karachi International Airport. This food sandwich, pasta sandwich, pizza. Welcome to Karachi, the port of Pakistan. So viewers, right now I exit from same gate, same way. Before I come same way, I'm going to again exit same way. That is McDonald's, and that one the Karachi Jinnah Terminal, terminal number 4, international. $2,695 rupees Pakistani once this meal from McDonald's. Very nice. Car parking for Jinnah International Airport in Karachi. Okay viewers, so right now I'm exit from here Karachi International Airport, so I have to go back to my home. So take care everybody. If you watch my video, if you like, so please subscribe and take care. Bye bye.